Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Welcome to Usman Nizami channel. In this video, we are going to learn what is greedy. Greedy is very bad and very worse in our life. And this story is written in all the languages, and this is a very moral story. So we can get a great lesson in our daily life, in our family, in our business. What do I want? That all the share I only want. I don't want to give others. So in that result, what happened? My business also will go down, and again the problems will come. In our family members, I only want more share. So what will happen? My brothers and sisters, so they will become enemies of me because I took much shares. So greedy is very bad. Sharing is caring. So let's start this story. So there were three friends. So they were poor, but beside poor, they were very greedy. So three of them, they wanted to do the job for searching the job, for searching the food. They went out from their house, and now they are going in that old days. So the people used to work in city only, and people used to live in villages, in forest, in jungle. Now they started their journey. They are going, and all of them, they got tired. So one of them, he told that if I walk some distance only, I may die. So I am feeling much hungry. And another told that I want much rest. If I don't take rest, so I can't walk more. So third person also told that okay. So near there one old and big tree is there. Let's take some rest. So three of them, they were taking the rest under the tree. So suddenly one of them, he saw that in that tree one small door is there. So he pushed that door and entered inside the tree, and he got one bag. So he opened that bag. So he was shocked, and he felt much happy that in that bag gold coins were there. So he felt much happy and brought outside and told to his friends, my dear friends, we got this bag. In this bag gold is there. Let's share is together equally. So anyhow, all of them, they were feeling much hungry. So their two person told that okay, third person, go and bring the bags as well as bring the food, as we are feeling much hungry, and let's share this gold equally in three shares. So one person went to the market for bringing the bags and also food also. So here, in those who are living in the jungle, they both thought that why not we only get all the money, all the gold coins. So only 50% I and 50% you. So in that result, let's kill that third friend. So these two persons were waiting behind the tree. So when that third person will come, here that third person also is not a simple person. He is also greedy. So he thought that why not I only can get all the share, all the golds. So he thought that I only want. So he mixed the poison in the food and he returned. So these two friends were waiting. So suddenly they attack upon that friend and kill him. As they were feeling hungry, they both first they ate that food. So obviously in that food poison was there. These two persons also died. So result, greedy is very bad. So it is in our business and in our family members. So greedy means what do I want? That each and everything I only want. I never will share. So there is a great proverb is there. Sharing is caring. As much you give. Suppose you are giving one time, two time will return. If you are giving 10 time, 100 time will return. So for watching the videos, thank you very much. Please remember in your prayers.